Good morning students, welcome back. Again standard 3, we are doing maths, we are doing second chapter. In the second chapter, we had done last week exercise 2.2. I have done all of this for you, as in I have done examples and I have given you homework to do these. Now today we are going to 2.3, exercise 2.3. So this is more of what comes after, what comes before and what comes in between and skip counting, okay? Fill in the blanks. So today I'm going to do examples from all of these, and this exercise I'm going to give you this week, okay? So let us see how we are going to do this. Okay, exercise 2.3, first question says, write the number which comes after 799. What comes after 799? Can anybody tell me 799? You must be answering, but I can't hear you. So I know that after 799 comes 800. Basically, if you add 1 to this, 9 plus 1 becomes 10, carry, 9 plus 1, 10, carry, 7 plus 1, 8. Okay, you just need to add one number to get the next number. So when we do that here, you get 800. The second question says 998. So 998, what comes after 998? It is when you add 1 with this, 9, right? 9. So it is 999. The next number is 999. And after 99, what you get? You all know it is 100. If you add 1 with 99, this will become 10. And carry 1, this will become 10. And carry 1, and then 1 comes here, it becomes 100. 529. What comes after 29? 30. So 530 is your number after 529. Now write the number which comes before. Basically in this what you have to do? You have to minus 1 from this. So 101 minus 1 is nothing but 1 minus 1 is 0, 0, 1. So it is 100 here. Okay. What comes before 101? 100. What comes before 300? It is 299. Right? 299. After that comes 300. 777. So what comes before 77? 76. So it is 776 before 777. If you have any difficulty, just try subtracting 1. So 7 minus 1 is 6. And there is nothing here to subtract. So 7 comes down like that, and this 7 also comes down like that. 776 is your answer. 210. So what will come before 210? If you subtract 1 from 10, you get 9. So you are going to write 209. That comes before 210. Okay? Now write the numbers which come in between. So you have 99 and you have 101. So after 99 comes 100. 99, 100, 101. Right? 699. After 699 comes 700. Okay, after 699 comes 700, then comes 701. Now 309, after 9 what comes? 10. So it is going to be 310 here. And now here we have 311. So you know that 310 is the right answer. 998. After that what comes, children? 999. After 8 comes 9. When you add 1 with this, 9 plus 1 becomes 10. Carry 1, 9 plus 1 becomes 10, carry 1, 9 plus 1 becomes 10, and the carry 1 comes down here. See, now we know that our answer is right. Okay. Now, in fill in the blanks, first you have to see what is the relationship between the first two numbers. You have 640 here, you have 660 here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take the bigger number, which is your 660, and I'm going to subtract 640 from that. Okay, when I do this, what is going to happen? 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 6 is 0. So what we see between these two numbers, you have a difference of 20. Okay, so when you subtract these two numbers, you get an answer 20. That means 640 plus 20 gives you 660. 660 plus 20 will give you how much, children? If you add 0 and 2 here, 0 plus 0 is 0, 6 plus 2 is 8, and 6 comes down like that. So it's going to be 680 here. After 680, what you're going to get? If you add 20 with this, you're going to get 700. Okay? 700 plus 20, 720. 720 plus 20, 740. 740 plus 20, 760. 760 plus 20, 780. So we know that our sequence is right. So every time you are jumping, you are adding plus 20 with it. Plus 20, plus 20, plus 20. Okay? So now you have understood how you are going to do the first series. Now look at the second one. It is quite different. Why? Because 990 is bigger than 970. So what is happening over here? We see that the first number is bigger than the second number, and the second number is bigger than the third number. So let us see what is the relationship between these two. So first we are going to take 990 and we are going to subtract 970 from that. Why are we doing that? Because we can only subtract smaller number from a bigger number. So bigger number at the top, smaller number at the bottom. Now when we subtract, what happens? 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0. So again we see that the difference between these two numbers is 20. But what we should understand? We should understand from this number to this number it is minus 20. Okay? Now let us see again. Let us take 970 and 950. We will subtract these two and check again if we are getting the same difference. 0 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 5 is 2 again. Okay? So here also our difference is 20. So from here to here also it is minus 20. So the same we are going to do in the next step. If you subtract 20 from 50, how much you are going to get? 930. Okay? Put minus 20 here. So 930. If you are going to subtract again 20 from 930, it is going to be 910. Okay? Now from 910, if you are going to subtract 20 again, how much you are going to get? I'll do this for you because it will be difficult. So 910 minus 20. 0 minus 0 is 0, but 1 you cannot subtract 1 from 2. So 2 from 1. So you are going to borrow. This becomes 11 and this number becomes 8. 11 minus 2 is how much, children? 11 minus 2 is nothing but 9, and this 9 becomes 8. So it is going to be 890. Now after you minus 20 from 890, you will get 870. Okay, and when you minus 20 from 870, you get 850. So we know that our series is correct. Okay, this is how you are going to do this whole exercise. You have to do what comes after, what comes before, what comes in between, and you are going to do the series. There are two different ways of doing it. Either there is addition of a number or subtraction of a number. Okay, you should know where you have to add, where you have to subtract. In addition, you will see that your first number will be smaller than your next number, and your next number will be bigger than this number. So it goes on increasing. Okay, if it is in the increasing order, you have to add the number. If it is in decreasing order, wherein you see that 990 is a bigger number, 970 is smaller, 950 is much smaller, so like that. So in this you will have to subtract the number. Okay, you have to identify where you have to do what and do it correctly. So I'm going to give this exercise as a homework for you for this week. I want you all to do it correctly and send it back to me. Okay, so until I meet you next time, you remain safe at home and do all your homeworks correctly. Bye.